Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for another plan with me. Today we are doing March 25th through the 31st. And you guys, Easter's coming up, so I got out my months of the year sticker pack, and I've got some Easter stickers. So these stickers are very thick. They're kind of cardboardy, but I haven't used them and I want to use them. So we're going to just go ahead. I think I'm going to tear out the whole entire page. Now this one says April on it. Obviously we are not in April. We are in March, but I don't think I have the March one any longer. And if I do, I don't know that I would use it. But we'll still look. We'll see. And oh, I can't wait for October. We'll use that as well. And then I'm almost done. This was a great sticker pack for me. I got it, it was only $6.99, and I got it at either Joann's or Hobby Lobby, but it has lasted me for years. So let's go ahead, and because I want to use this up, I'm going to use this most. So this one here says My Little Chickadee, and I'm going to put this right down there to start me off. And then I know that we've got Easter coming up. And I don't know exactly when we're doing an egg hunt. So I'm going to put it here, and it is a little bit bigger than what it's supposed to be, but that's okay. I'm going to put that one there. And then this one says Yummy Chocolate Bunny. And so I'm going to put that over here. Just like that, since it doesn't really fit. I think that would be really cute. There. So, we have colored eggs here. And we're definitely going to be coloring some eggs. I have my grandbabies here on Friday. So I'm going to put that here for Friday evening. Just like that. I don't know if you got to see that, sorry. And then we're going to come over here where it says You Crack Me Up. I'm going to go right over here just to start off the week. Just like that. And I'm going to really quick look to see when spring starts. Are we already in spring? I do not know. We might be. I'm just going to ask. When does spring start?
Spring began last Tuesday and ends June 20th.
Oh, last Tuesday. So, nope, we're already... It was on the 19th, I guess. So, there we go. So, I missed it, so that's okay. I don't need to do the spring fling and Easter things. But this You're Extra Special, how cute is that? And I think I'm going to put that there, but I'm going to wait, because I know I have other stuff for that. Let me see if I can move this up just a little bit here so you can see better. There we go. That looks a little bit better. Alright, so I know I have in here some that just say Easter. Is this the one that has it? This might not be the one, but that's okay. I'm going to get out some of these colors that I already need. So we've got laundry. We'll put that one right here. And then We'll use some groceries here. We have groceries coming up as well. So I'll put those right here. Just like that. I'm still looking for that Easter one. Oh, I'm gonna come across everything else before I come across Easter. We're gonna do some planning, right? Even though I'm already planning, I still love to plan the day that I'm gonna do it. I love to have my planner on here. So I'll put that right there. So I do my planning on Mondays to start my week. Now let's go back and see if I could find, here it is. Here is that Easter. And it says Easter here. And we're going to put that. I think it fits almost perfect on here. Put it right there. I think that was everything that I really needed from this area. Just going to look real quick just to make sure. Actually, I really like this one. It says, just enjoy life. And I'm going to put that right here. And that way that Easter and this bring cohesiveness. And I think that's what we've got so far. I'm just going to look real quick. As you can see, I don't think I have much of anything else. I do have a lovely little time to celebrate. I think I will use that one. And we're going to put that right here. Okie dokie. So these are my regular stickers. I'm just going back to using some of the older stickers. I just love this. I think I'm going to go right here and do maybe some brunch. We'll stick that right here in the Easter. I don't know, do you guys do Easter brunch or do you Easter dinner? Let me know. No, it's going to be on Sunday. Of course, we've got to get our coffee in here. I've been trying to do more of the coffee at home, but, you know, sometimes you just need to go out and grab a coffee there. Treat yourself. Actually, it says treat yourself right there. That's funny. Of course, we're going to use some of these, and I think I'm going to use that blue in there. We'll pull some of those colors together. Let me see here. I think I'm going to use it on this side. And I'm going to use another one, but I'm going to use the purple on this side. Right here. So we've got those. I'm going to continue looking here, see if there's anything else that I want. I'll put a little payday sticker here. we'll use some stickers. I definitely love to use these type of stickers. It just helps. We'll use that hydrate sticker there. And then what I'm looking for, well, I don't really want to look for this, but I do. And we'll put this one, I always put it right down here in the corner, as little as possible. So, it's the little scale there. Let's see. Looking to see. They do have Easter, but they don't have Good Friday. I was looking for Good Friday on here. Let's see. I'm going to use this. We're going to put the best day ever right there. We really are celebrating this day, right? And why not? I feel that we need to. Let's see. While we have some black in there, we'll do some chores and some vacuuming. And chores are never fun, but I still have to do it. And we'll do the vacuuming with the laundry. Alright, so now I'm looking at these, see if there's anything that I need. Not going anywhere. Don't need to buy anything. I'm going to grab this to-do. But before I do the to-do, I'm going to look and see if there's anything else. Wake up and be awesome. That's a good one. Get it done. That's a good one. I'm just using all old stickers for today. I'm going to put this one right there. And don't be afraid. Again, I've got my coffee down here. I've got this one here, but look at it. Still leaves me space to put here, here, and here. And then this is the original one that I got, you guys. This is my first sticker. So, let's see. Leap and the net will appear. I like that one. Make it work. Dreams don't work unless you do. Good things take time. Okay, I'm going to take this. And I'm going to use that one right here. Because again, I don't have Good Friday, but I could put it right here. It's going to say good things take time. So I can write good and then Friday down here. And then of course, you know, 3 days later, he is risen. So, let's see here. I think we are pretty close to being done. I think that we got this. just looking at these. This one's really nice. It says success doesn't just come and find you. You have to go out and get it. I think that's a good one. Oh, forget about it. This is another one that I'm just going to put in here. This one says joy comes in the morning. So I'm going to put this one right here. As you can tell, I very much love my Jesus and am so thankful for this week. I'm going to put this one right here. How's that for using our stickers? I think the only thing we have is some space here, but I'm okay. I think I have enough to write what I need. And I think I'm gonna really quick look at this one. This was one of the first ones I bought, and it was a big, and I was like, I didn't even know what that meant. So, but then once I saw it, I had all these big, huge labels. So I still use them. In fact, I'm going to put this one right here, and I know that I'm going to have to cut that down, so I'm going to cut it right here. I could always use it later, but I've got my little piece here to write more notes. All right, there we go. All old stickers. I'm super excited. I hope you like this, and if you do, please give me a big thumbs up, and I will show some pictures so you can see the whole thing. Of course, you can always see this on my TikTok, my Instagram, Facebook. Just go to BeautyandtheStamper.com, or just look for me on social media at Beauty and the Stamper. All right, beauties, have a wonderful week, and I will talk to you later. Bye!